Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not working in Windows 10 and 11. For this, first of all, we uninstall and install the WhatsApp app. If that doesn't work, then we will go to the search bar and type Microsoft Store. Once it's open, go to the search bar and type WhatsApp. Here, there are two options, one is WhatsApp, and the second one is WhatsApp Beta. You can use WhatsApp Beta for personal use, but it is actually for business, however, it can be used personally. If both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Beta do not work, then open a Chrome browser and type install WhatsApp for PC. Click on the first link. Here, you can install WhatsApp for Windows or MacBook. If that doesn't work, then close the Chrome browser. Go to the search bar and type Reset Microsoft Store. It will start to reset your Microsoft Store. If that doesn't work, then go to the search bar and type Settings. Once it's open, click on Apps. After that, click on Apps and Features. Here, you will scroll down until you find Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store and then click on Advanced Options. Once it's open, scroll down and then click on Reset. Microsoft Store will start resetting. Once it's done, go to the Microsoft Store and install WhatsApp again, and then your WhatsApp will work properly. That's all the ways to fix WhatsApp in Windows 10 or 11. If you have any questions about this topic, you can comment in the comments section. And if you find this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.